guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can remove a background from an image in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to just log in into your Canva account. Or if you are not having an account with Canva, then you need to create an account with Canva. So as you can see, I'm already logged in into my Canva account. So let's see how we can remove background from an image. You can see this one. So first of all, select the size. You can just go back and you can go here custom size, and you can just check for what width and what height your image should be. Let's say I'm using 1080 and 1080 image size. So this will depend on your design, like where do you want to use that image. Okay, so it can be for an Instagram post, it can be for a Facebook post. Let's say I'm using this one, so this dimension will be useful for both the platforms. Like if I'm designing a post with 1080 and 1080, then it will look good on both the platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So I'll just go with create new design. Now I need to just upload the image. You need to go to uploads and upload your file from here, upload files, and choose the path where is your image located. So let's see, I want to delete this one. Let's see, I want to delete the background from this one. I just selected this one. I have uploaded this file. Now I need to drag and drop this one. I just clicked on this picture, double clicking will work. Okay, now I will just fill this image size. Okay, now I will go to edit image. Now you can see here background remover option is there. So to use this background remover tool from Canva, you need to be a Canva Pro user. Okay, Canva premium users. So as you can see, this sign is saying like you need to be a Canva Pro account. So if you have already bought a Canva subscription for a Pro account, you can just click on this one and your background will be removed from Canva. Okay, also you can increase or decrease the brightness of your image. Or you can just apply these filters on your image. Also, you can auto enhance this one. So all these filters you can apply to your image. So as you can see, I'm not a Canva Pro user for this account. I'm having that, but with the different email. So first of all, you need to buy the Canva Pro, and then only you can just remove the background I can also show you without Canva also you can remove the background from an image, and that is the remove.bg. Remove.bg. You need to go to this website and upload your image from here. Okay. I think we will be using this image to remove the background. So I'm just telling you the alternate ways. If you are not having a Canva Pro account and you have not bought any subscription of Canva, then you can alternatively you can use back remove.bg, and from here you can just download this one, download this image, and this image will be having no background at all. So here you can see, wait a second. I think the image quality was not good. That's why it is showing like that. So yeah, in this way you can just remove the background from an image. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.